Hi, Vaidya here. Appium Python script to demonstrate renaming a file, copying a file and pasting in a new folder. Check this. Opens FileManager. This program is being executed in Coolpad Note6 mobile phone. FileManager is opened. Opens music, selects a file, more options, rename my song.mp3. OK. Selects another file, copies, goes to SD card, creates a new folder, some test F or something, test folder, test F1 this time. OK. Open test F1, paste it here. Of course, play the song for you or play the audio for you. Something.
Gundirajana Shastri Kurminin Bhajiyam Dharmapuri Niru Kudalchiti